My back pops every time I do my core exercises. Is that bad? I've talked about popping before as it's not something you want to initiate, but if it happens with movement, that's okay. With core exercises, especially if you're doing the ones where you're lying on your back and moving your legs around, you can get this popping that feels like it's in your back, it's kind of in your hip, and it's one of these weird things because you can feel it every time you go to straighten your leg out, but you can't really put your finger on it. You can't feel it under your hand, you just feel it inside. And there's a condition called a snapping psoas, and psoas is your hip flexor muscle. So as you're moving your leg, that muscle can kind of pop back and forth. And as long as it's not painful, it's not actually a problem. You can keep going and working through it. If it bothers you, and most of the people I work with who have it, it's not painful, but it's kind of creepy and they just don't like it, just shorten up your range. So if you're doing your core exercises on your back, and I'll kind of demo a little bit here, where you're trying to stretch that foot out, just don't go as far. So just go smaller, little ones, and try and stay out of that popping feeling if you can. If you're still getting some popping, that's okay. And if you feel like it's just too much, you just don't like it, then that's all right. Just pick a different exercise. And usually if you change up exercises, that works fine for you.